Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials and taking the first tangible steps. Create and verify your Clickbank account, add payment details, and login. Next, pick a niche with clear demand, use gravity and search cues, aim for products with gravity above 5 but not saturated. Once done, build a single focused landing page with an email capture and one strong call to action. This gets traffic ready and lets you start tracking conversions immediately. Don't overcomplicate at this stage. Now you execute the core funnel and traffic plan so conversions happen. Choose a traffic source that matches your budget. Organic SEO for long game, paid ads for quicker tests, and drive visitors to your landing page. Make sure to add UTM parameters, use Clickbank hop links correctly, and wire analytics for split testing. Once traffic flows, implement a 3-message email sequence that delivers value first, then introduces the offer. Space messages 24 to 72 hours apart to optimize engagement and conversions over time. Finish by optimizing, scaling winning campaigns, and knowing one key troubleshooting step. Monitor conversion rate, EPC, CTR, and cost per lead. When a funnel element beats baseline, increase budget and clone that combo. Make iterative improvements, swap offers, refine headlines, shorten forms, and tighten email copy to boost ROI. If things go wrong, focus first on tracking and hoplink integrity. Broken hoplinks or missing UTM data cause most failures. Fix tracking, then retest ads and landing speed before scaling again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.